Hey, what's going on, guys? Actually, just making this video just to show you guys how to install the IPTV um, stream player on on your device, so that way you can use our service with it. All right, I'm doing a voiceover. I guess the voice didn't actually work when I made this recording, so excuse me, guys, for that. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover this. As you can see, I'm basically clicking on the player itself on the left there, just to do a little quick demo for you guys later. Right here, I'm just basically just showing you that you can subscribe from the top. The subscription button is usually in the middle there, but I guess because of the setup I had, it went to the left. But anyways, right here you can see where you can actually download the different apps. We have it for the Windows based platforms. We also have it for the Android and the Apple systems. Okay, works on iPhones, Apple TV, iMacs, Macs, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. It doesn't really matter. Our system works on that. The app actually works on any of those platforms. Also, if you look down there, way in the middle screen right there, it's just showing like the different platforms that it works on. It also works on smart TV. As long as you can get the app installed on your smart TV, you should be good to go. Fire TV, obviously your web browser, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, your Fire Stick TV, and your Fire Stick um, um, devices. All right. Also, phones, Android, tablets, and all that. Right here, I'm basically just showing you guys the different plans that we offer. And again, the website is realkingtv.com. Again, it's realkingtv.com. You can just go on and check us out. But anyways, I'm just showing the different prices here. We have the 9.99. That's for 1 month, one device. We have the 19.99. That's for 2 months. I mean, two devices in 1 month. Then we have the three devices 1 month for 29.99. Then the year plan for 12 months for one device. All right. Um, so you could choose from any of these plans. They will work great for your need, for whatever you got set up. I'm scrolling up here, just showing you basically just the different things you get. Customer service, the uptime on the servers is like 99% or greater. Also here, if you look in the middle there, you can see a YouTube video. I mean, you have to click on that video basically to basically it gives you directions on how to set up your actual Fire Stick, get into the developer option. I'm just showing here. I'm just showing some images and some of the stuff that you can get. But just going back to the video, just basically you're gonna need to download. If you don't have a Fire Stick device, you have a different device that might require like some third party app for you to be able to install whatever uh, application that you're using other than IPTV Stream Player. You might have to use downloader for that. But if you're using IPTV Stream Player, you do not necessarily have to use that, right? All you have to do is basically enable developer option, go to ADB debugging, make sure you turn that on. Also, make sure you turn in apps from unknown sources, and you'll be able to access, be able to download the actual app. Like I said, if you look on the blue tabs up there, those are where the actual apps are. The first one is for the Windows-based system. Second one is for the Android, and the third one is for the Apple devices. All right. I think this is where I kind of click on one of them just to kind of show you where it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I believe we're gonna click on the Windows-based system now, if I'm not mistaken. But what it does is it just takes you to the Windows Marketplace where you can actually download the app from there. All right. So if you have like a PC, you just go ahead and click on it, like I just did. Um, yeah, I believe the screen didn't load up just again because the setup wasn't that great, but it takes you to the Apple marketplace. Okay, then you just basically just download it. The next one is for the Android. Obviously, this one works. It takes you right to the page where you can download it right there. And again, this applies to any Android devices. You can click on that. Then you got the Apple devices right here. Click on that, and it basically takes you to the Apple Store. Um, so the reason why it looks that way is because obviously I wasn't using an Apple-based system. But again, if you're using an Apple-based system, it'll go there. Then you might have to log into your Apple account to be able to access that actual um, player, okay, the IPTV stream player. But anyways, again, I'm just kind of showing here that you can do it there. You can also click it there too, right there. It takes you right to the Android section. All right, I'm just going back here. All right, just scrolling up. Then when you're done installing it, you're actually going to see your screen, the sign up screen. When you're done going through the process, it's very easy to install. Once it's installed, you download, install it. It's going to show you that. Then what's going to happen is after you've made your payment, you can always reach out to us through the chat. I'm just basically demonstrating that there, the WhatsApp chat on the website. And what's going to happen is we're going to go ahead and generate your account credentials. All right, it's going to be your username, your password, and the URL for the server. And you just go ahead and log in with those information, and you'll be able to start watching TV right away. It loads up everything pretty fast. Okay, and also it's predicated based on your internet provider, also, right? You can also call us or you could text us. We don't do call, to be honest with you. We do mostly text. 770-913-6937. All right. You can text us. We'll be more than happy to help. But I think here I was just displaying how you click on it, it takes you right to the service part of it, whether your payment is. It's 1066 because you have the card processing fee that is added to that. But again, the setup I was kind of using here wasn't the best, but when it loads up, what it does is just shows you the different forms of payment that you can use with the Cash App and all that. All right. And your credit card, you can also use that in different forms of payments. All right. Um, but yeah, it works 100%. The browser I was using wasn't the best browser. But I will be making some more videos, man. Maybe, going into this a little bit more and demonstrating it a lot better than what I got here. But the point is, you guys, kind of get the point. Again, once you get your login instructions, just put your username, password, and also your the server number on there. All that stuff is going to be sent to you. Very easy process. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, you can always reach us on the actual chat, the WhatsApp chat button right there on the bottom right hand corner. We'll be more than happy to help you out. All right. Again, I'm just going back just to showing what the different platforms are. Again, for the Windows-based system and also the Android and the MacBook or iPhone devices also. It's all supported. All right, so you can go ahead and take care of that. And if you guys have any questions, we'll be more than happy to help you. Appreciate you guys in your business. All right, just got a couple of things. I just okay, yeah. So basically, what I'm doing here is just showing like just some of the things you can get with it that the services
Don't
offer.
worry about me, fam. We got
All
them
right,
covered.
just clicking on a
Down this
couple of
way?
channels, kind
Like,
of scanning
I
through it
still.
quick. All right, got the AMC going, and just different website. I mean, different TV shows and movie channels and just live
Yo,
content just
boy,
in
listen,
general.
got it.
All right, just kind of demonstrating it a little bit so you guys can kind of see what it's about. All right. Yeah, it's a lot of channels. A lot of times with our services, once it's set up, you just got to kind of play around with it, get
Arguing,
familiarized
it's
where things
public art.
are. And it's straightforward. Once it loads the
Thank you. Give me
channels and
again.
everything,
Valley
as you can see,
is
it's
very
very
hot.
easy to use. You have your categories to the far left. Then under each categories, you have your the actual channels to the right of them, and you'll be able to
We
access
posted a job on
channels under
ZipRecruiter
those
and got our guy
categories.
on
All right.
site in
So right
5
there, you had
days.
the
He was
news channel.
qualified
Then
and
you had
everything.
the
ZipRecruiter finds the
the
best
sports
candidates for all
channels,
our jobs. They
your
helped us build our
pay-per-view event
dream and
channels.
did it
I'm
fast.
just scrolling
Try
down there
crying.
so you guys can kind
ZipRecruiter.com.
of see what we offer and just how many categories they are. All right, it's quite a bit of categories, a lot to see. And again, you just got to get used to where things are, and just kind of get familiarized with where things are. Right. So here we're in the movie section. Click on that. All right. I'm just clicking on one particular category just to kind of show what it looks like. All right. And I kind of made it a small screen so that way I can show both things. I can show the actual website, then I can also show the TV section of things. All right. So as you guys can see, it plays right away. Very easy to use. Have any other questions? Make sure you guys reach out back to us at www.realkingtv.com. Thanks for watching.